Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to My Quran Tutor Online Institute. My Quran Tutor is one of the leading online institutions offering Quran classes for adults and children. We are one of the pioneers of providing services, such as Quran teaching online with Tajweed by taking the help of modern technology and making use of it to spread the knowledge of Islam globally. The aim of all the scholars and teachers at My Quran Tutor is to make learning Quran online a seamless and efficient experience. Our services are open to students of all ages who want to take Quran lessons online, as they are more convenient than physical classes in the present world. With the help of the internet and apps like Skype, you can learn the Quran at the comfort of your home by joining your hands with My Quran Tutor. My Quran Tutor is your go-to Quran learning institution, where you can learn to complete Quran online. We have been working by following the standards set to provide ease of learning and teaching to our students and teachers, respectively. My Quran Tutor is performing the biggest responsibility to fulfill the requirements of our students by appointing the best instructors in the world. The selection of our instructors is made on merit and we hire them after doing deep research about them and their background. We hire both male and female teachers for our students for their ease. We hire them based on their educational and religious background. How can we make the learning of the Quran simple and comfortable for you? We provide one-on-one classroom sessions to our individual students for 30 minutes that are better than the 1-hour sessions. Our hand-picked teachers belong to Pakistan, Arab countries, and from the whole world. We provide learning chances to the kids and to their parents as well. We provide reports to the parents about the progress of their kids. We provide facilities to the entire family to learn Quran online by sitting at their home. We manage online Quran classes with great ease and comfort. You can easily learn the Quran without going anywhere outside the house. We provide the rescheduling of the classes according to your comfort and timings. We provide 24/7 hour services to our students by providing the teacher according to their flexible time. You can learn the Quran at any time in your house in a relaxed and comfortable environment where you and your kids are safe. We provide 3 days of free trial classes to our new students for their satisfaction. We provide only well-trained and experienced teachers to our students because we know how important it is to read and learn Quran online in the correct way. How to book an online Quran teaching course at My Quran Tutor. If you want to join hands with My Quran Tutor in your journey of understanding the Holy Quran, you have to follow a few simple and easy steps. The first step is filling the form that is showcased on our website. Register yourself by giving out some basic personal information for the free trial prescription. Select the course you want to join after you book the 3 days free trial session. Once your trial session is completed, create an account and sign up to get access to your Quran online classes. During the course of your trial session, you will learn the basics of Islam, such as prayers, du'as, and the many rules of Tajweed, which is a necessary requirement for ideal Quran learning. After you have an account, you can select your preferred timing, teacher, and course specification. As an educational institute, it is our goal to provide the many Muslims in the world with the right knowledge of the Holy Quran. Consequently, the students at My Quran Tutor have a deeper insight into the beauty of Islam. On this platform, we like to fulfill our responsibility by working with professional and efficient scholars and Quran tutors. Contact us anytime from anywhere. www.myqurantutor.com. Email: contact@myqurantutor.com. Phone number for USA and Canada: 131551544022. For UK: 441444390414. For Australia: 613901544045.